In this video, we'll be finding limits with a table. Our problem that we'll be working with is use a table to find the limit of 3x minus 7 over x minus 4 as x approaches 4. Now notice that if we tried direct substitution, we'd have division by 0 when you put 4 in here for x. So we can't use direct substitution. So finding the limit using a table is another option. So I'm going to draw a horizontal table. This line represents x equal 4. And then I want numbers smaller than 4 on the left side and larger than 4 on the right side. So I'll use 3.999. And then I'll use 3.99 and 3.9. These are values for x that I'll be subbing in. And then larger than 4, we'll put in 4.001 and 4.01 and 4.1. And then we'll be calculating the value for f of x, which is this expression once we substitute these values in. Now we can, if you have a TI-84 Plus calculator, we can enter this expression in the main screen, parentheses 3x minus 7, parentheses closed, divided by parentheses x minus 4. And then ignore the number that comes up when I press enter because I have something else in there for x. But now what I'm going to do is store these values for x into the calculator and have it figure out what the value is. So we'll enter 3.9 and then store is the button right above the on button, and you'll get an arrow when you hit store. And then we're storing that into the x variable and press enter. Now 3.9 is in the x variable. Now to get this expression back without typing it again, I just press second and then enter, second, enter, and there it is. So if we press enter now, we see that the value is negative 47. Then if we put 3.99, store x, and then second, enter, and then enter to get the value, I get negative 497. And then 3.99, 9, store x, second, enter, we have a negative 4,997. Let me do 4.001, store x, second, enter, and we have 5,003. Now I can see right now that no limit is going to exist because we're getting, as we approach x equal 4 from the left, our y value is approaching negative infinity. This is really big, but it's a negative number. And then as I'm approaching x equal 4 from the right, I'm approaching a positive infinity. So, but let me finish with these number values. 4.01 store x, second enter, so 503, and then 4.1 store x, 53. So again, I'm approaching different numbers. From the left, f of x approaches negative infinity, and from the right, f of x approaches positive infinity because it's getting bigger, bigger, bigger. So these two have to be the same number if the limit is going to exist. So we would write no limit, or limit does not exist.